Hello everybody. First and foremost, I want to welcome you to the Money Machine Millennials, presented to you by your daily weekender. Just like the weekend. Everybody love the weekend, right? Well, please hit the subscribe button to be part of the family. The question today is, how many millionaires do you know that become wealthy by just investing in their saving account? Probably little to none. With that being said, it's good to invest your money somewhere that you can get real-time return or capital gain. That's why I created this channel, to help you out and shed some light on some of the stuff that are unclear to you. Because the objective is to learn and grow together. I'll be bringing some helpful tips for you guys about the stock market, like asset allocation, and which you'll be diversifying your portfolio. Also, how to pick stocks based on your interests. I'll also talk about cryptocurrency, Forex, savings, credit cards, individual retirement account, which is IRA, 401k, 529, which is college saving plan. I will also do some educational courses on how much is covered in your bank account. That's under FDIC, which is the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation. And also, what happens if your broker goes bankrupt? That's also covered on the SIPC, which is the Security Investor Protection Corporation, the Bank Secrecy Act, which is for money laundering. I'll also talk about multiple streams of income. The goal is for you to become a financially liberated individual. Well, I thank you already for your likes, comment, subscribe. And if there's a particular subject that you would like for me to talk about, don't hesitate to drop it in the comment sections. I will gladly do some research and talk about it so we could go together. Well, thank you guys so much for taking the time to watch the video. Like I said, don't forget to leave any suggestions if you guys have. And then don't forget to also comment, subscribe, like, just share the video. I'll be making it so much more fun for you guys because there's a lot for us to talk about. We're going to go together and then let's do it. And then the goal is for me to upload at least 2 videos every week. But let's go. Let's do it. And then again, thank you. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.